Pakistan Railways is one of the most extensive and oldest railway networks in the world, which forms the lifeline of the country by catering to its needs for large-scale movement of freight, as well as passenger traffic at the most reasonable and affordable prices. Pakistan Railways owns a carriage factory in Islamabad, a locomotive factory in Risalpur, and a workshop in Lahore. These facilities play a significant role in enabling Pakistan Railways to offer best services to its customers. Pakistan Railways is looking forward to join hands with private sector for enhancing the capacity of these facilities in terms of technology, equipment, and human resources. Carriage Factory, Islamabad. The primary working cog in the machinery of railways is undoubtedly Islamabad Carriage Factory, commissioned in 1970 in collaboration with Alstom. Having state-of-the-art infrastructure competent with the International Railways manufacturing units around the world having capacity of 120 carriages per annum.
This factory has produced by now almost more than 4,500 coaches, which ranges from German technology, from Chinese technology, as well as some export quality to Senegal and Bangladesh too.
Fabrication Wing. The facility houses 4 bays, each 200 meters long, with provision of overhead cranes, bending machines, forming machines, drilling machines, and advanced welding equipment. Machine Shop. It is adjacent to the fabrication and includes machines like lathes, milling machines, drills, horizontal press, and planners, etc. Forge Shop. The shop is equipped with counter blow drop hammer, friction and hydraulic press of adequate quality. Tool Shop. It has facilities for grinding, repairing, and reclaiming all types of tools and equipment required on hand in the factory. After the complete production, the coaches go through quality testing and especially rainfall test. The carriage factory is equipped with the ability to not only make carriages locally, but also meets the international standards to export its carriages like it did for rising economies like Bangladesh and Senegal, which also produces a healthy ripple effect on the economy of Pakistan by increasing exports.
We have good capacity, but you see, with the passage of time, we need innovation and modernization, which is not done yet. I believe that with this manpower, with a lot of our potential, we can do a lot.
Mulpura Workshop, Lahore. It holds the honor of one of the oldest railway workshops in Southeast Asia, commissioned in 1908, even before the independence of Pakistan. It is maintenance and overhauling complex consisting of Loco Shop and C&W Shop. C&W has rehabilitated more than 1,403 coaches and 55 freight wagons have been exported to Sri Lanka. It has the manufacturing capacity of more than 350 units of coaches spreading over factory area of 192 acres. Major units of C&W Shop are lifting shop with ultrasonic testing facilities, roller bearing shop, welding shop, spring shop, wagon repair shop, blacksmith shop, machine shop, coach repair shop, paint shop, and tank repair shop. Loco Shop. Loco Shop is meant for overhauling of locomotives, traction motors, manufacturing of spares, and qualification of engine blocks. Loco Shop has capacity to turn out 4 to 5 locomotives per month after periodic overhauling and nominal repair. It comprises a total area of 111 acres.
Besides the main units, Pakistan Railways Mogulpura Workshop Division has the sub-units in the form of the hospitals for the welfare of the staff, the schooling facilities, the security, watch and ward mechanism. So, if the workshop division is chosen for the joint venture facilities, it can open an era for the export of the rolling stock facilities, manufacturing, as well as the maintenance.